Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making yummy recipe without oil, yummy, less ingredients, yummy in taste. All-purpose flour 1 cup, salt half tablespoon, water, make a soft dough. Keep aside boiled potato, mash well, red chili flakes half tablespoon, pepper powder half tablespoon, turmeric half pinch, salt as per taste, onion powder half tablespoon, Mexican seasoning half tablespoon optional. Mix everything. Roll the dough. Spread the potato like this. Boiled eggs optional. Cut like this. Make any shapes you like. Air fry for 20 minutes on 200 degrees. You can fry directly on oil. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.